In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank rules in XERO. If you're spending time manually coding the same types of bank transactions over and over, bank rules can do that work for you automatically. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so your reconciliations become faster and more consistent. Start on your dashboard and open the main menu, then click Accounting. This takes you to the area where you manage your accounts and reconciliation settings. From here, choose Bank Rules. This page is where all existing rules live, and where you'll create new ones to tell XERO how to treat specific transactions. Go ahead and click Create Rule. This opens the rule builder so you can define exactly when the rule should run and how the transaction should be coded. The first thing to do is click into the Any Text Field condition. This is where you set the trigger that XERO looks for in your bank feed. You can target different fields from your bank line, such as the payee, description, or reference. Choose payee for this example. Selecting payee helps when the merchant or supplier name appears consistently in your bank feed. Next, enter the value you want XERO to detect. Use a distinctive fragment of the name that's likely to show up each time, and avoid overly generic words. A short, unique keyword usually works best and helps prevent accidental matches. Now select. Set the contact. This tells XERO which contact to assign to the transaction whenever the condition is met. Pick the correct contact so your supplier or customer history stays clean and your reporting remains accurate. If the contact doesn't exist yet, you can add it first and then return to this step. After that, enter the Allocate line items. This is where you decide how the transaction should be coded. Choose the appropriate expense or revenue account, set the tax rate if applicable, and add any tracking categories your organization uses. If the cost should be split, you can allocate multiple lines with percentages or fixed amounts, so every part of the transaction lands in the right place automatically. Give your rule a clear name by typing it into the Name the Rule field. Make it descriptive so you and your team can identify what it does at a glance, like the merchant and the purpose. When everything looks good, click Save. From now on, whenever a bank line matches your condition, XERO will suggest this coding automatically during reconciliation, helping you stay consistent and save time while reducing errors.